Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a video almost similar to my 200 sit-ups a day for a week, like what it did to me. But this one is actually for wrinkles. I can say it loud, wrinkles. It's okay to have wrinkles. With age comes wrinkles, but aging is a blessing as well. So I like to always think of it that way, and it makes me feel good. With me, I noticed my chest wrinkles and neck wrinkles got a little more extreme, I would say. Like, they just wanted to make an appearance. Like, they're like, I'm ready. Hello. Hi, everyone. I am here. So, especially my neck and my chest right here. Ooh, you guys, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna see the video, but I already see an improvement. Like, this is amazing. Okay, but I'm jumping ahead of myself. I have these 3 products here by Lola Skincare, and I decided to go ahead and do 5 days of these products and show you guys my chest wrinkles and my neck wrinkles to see if there was an improvement in 5 days. So in the morning, I do apply my primer, and then I apply my Bright Morning Smoothing Cream. One thing I absolutely love about these products, you guys, is I love that it does not have a scent to it. So when you apply it here and on your neck, you know, whenever you apply product on your chest or neck, you're gonna get a really strong whiff of it because, you know, it's just chilling there. But this does not have any of that. So if you are one who has like a sensitive stomach or get headaches to certain scents, you have nothing to worry about with this. And I would say, somewhat sensitive skin. My skin used to be more sensitive when I was younger, and then as I got older, I noticed it could handle a lot more. But my skin is, I would say, somewhat sensitive, and I did not break out at all with these. And another thing is, usually when you apply like a neck cream or something that says like, oh, it's gonna get rid of wrinkles, you feel a little tingling and everything. This one didn't do that at all. So that's why the first time I applied it, honestly, I was like, okay, let's see, this probably not gonna work. It's just another cream out there being sold to say it's gonna get rid of wrinkles. And that's another thing. Once you've got your wrinkles, you're not gonna just have your wrinkles disappear. What it's gonna do is it's going to lighten the appearance of it, I would say, but not completely erase it off your body, okay? So you can't be like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna use that, and then poof, be gone, no more wrinkles. That's not how it works. And I wish it would work that way sometimes, but it's not how it works. And at night, I like to use the Good Night Sleep Mask, and this one I like to apply a lot more at night because I am one that turns over in my sleep. Like, I'm always like on my side, which causes wrinkles a lot quicker. So like, you know, with your eyeliner and everything, how people say don't pull on your eye when applying the eyeliner because you're gonna cause, you know, premature wrinkles and all that kind of stuff. Well, when you sleep on your side, you do cause wrinkles right here in your chest area. So I'm one of those. I can't help it. That's just how I'm comfortable sleeping. So if someone says lay on your back and you won't get wrinkles, I'm gonna say I don't care. I'm gonna get the wrinkles because I want a good night's sleep. I just need more of this at night, I feel. So I do apply a lot more. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my week, my 5 days, actually not a full week, my 5 days of applying, and I will show you a before and after. And honestly, I could say the results to me in person look so much better than what I've seen already on my camera, but you can see a difference on my videos, but in the pictures and the videos and stuff. And that's only 5 days of using it, so I'm still continuing it. This morning I applied my primer and this one right here, the morning one. And yeah, so if you guys want some more information on Lola Skincare, it will be down below, the link and everything, all the info you need. And I will have a blog post on it as well with a little more detail of the product. But let's get right into this, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's begin. Step 1 is the Damage Control Vitamin C Primer for chest and neck. And this is a serum that reduces the appearance of deep set wrinkles by relaxing the muscles and promoting the collagen density and providing a protective barrier. Step 2 is the Bright Morning Decolletage Smoothing Cream, and this is going to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This moisturizer hydrates while promoting skin cell renewal as well. And step 3 is the Good Night Sleep Mask. It's an anti-aging serum, and you should notice that you are going to get firmer and smoother skin with this. Here is my neck today. You could see like there's still the little wrinkles, but it's not as bad at all. Like it's not just like showing all crazy. And then my neck right here especially is where I usually could see all the wrinkles, and it's not bad at all. So I am so happy with this product. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you're all doing well and safe, and talk to you soon. Bye.